Good day. Today, let's tackle about linguistic and political sciences. What is linguistics? Linguistics is the scientific study of language and its student including the sounds, phonetics and phonology, words, morphology, sentences, syntax, and meaning semantics, and also explores how language evolves over time, how they are used in communication, and how they are acquired by individuals. Linguistics. Linguistics is from the Latin word lingua, which means tongue or language, and the suffix istics, which means indicates a field of study or disciplines. We have 10 branches of linguistics. First, we have phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, pragmatics, historical linguistics, psycholinguistics, social linguistics, and computational linguistics. Let's discuss about branches of linguistics. First, we have phonetics. Phonetics is the study of speech sounds and their physiological production and acoustic qualities. It deals with the configuration of the vocal tract used to produce speech sounds. Articulatory phonetics. The acoustic properties of speech sounds. Acoustic phonetics. And the manner of combining sounds so as to make syllable words and sentence. Linguistic phonetics. Phonology. Phonology is the study of why sounds functions in language, including phonemes, syllable structure, stress, accent, intonation, and which sounds are distinctive unit within a language. Next is morphology. In linguistics, morphology is the study of words, how they are formed and their relationship to other words in the same language. It analyzes the structure of words such as the stems, root words, prefix, and suffix. Morphology also looks at parts of speech, intonation, and stress, and the ways context can change a word's punctuations and meaning. Example, if you take the morpheme cookie and add the suffix s, you create a new word cookies, a plural, a plural form with a slightly different meaning than the singular word. Syntax is the arrangement of words in sentences, clauses, and phrases, and the study of relationships of their component parts. Pragmatics refers to the branch of linguistics that studies the ways in which context influences the interpretation of language, and it goes beyond the study of grammatical structure and focuses on how language is used in real-life situations to convey meaning. Pragmatists consider factors such as the speaker assumptions and the social content in which communication takes place. Semantics. Semantics is the study of relationships between signs and symbols and what they represent. Next, historical linguistics. Look for similarities between language that show a common origin and attempt to arrange related languages into family stress, and also they apply to various patterns of how sound change in language to their analysis of the oldest known variations or related language in order to reconstruct their last shared proto-language ancestors. Psycholinguistics, the discipline that investigates and describes the psychological process that make it possible for humans to master and use language. The last is computational linguistics. It is the language analysis that uses computers. Computational analysis is often applied to the handling of basic language data, making concordance and counting frequencies of sounds, words, and word elements. Although numerous other types of linguistic analysis can be performed by computers. Now, let's go on to the political sciences. The father of political sciences, Aristotle. Aristotle is regarded as the father of political science. He was the Greek philosopher. He was the first one to give a working definition of political science or political sciences. Political science. Political science originates from the Greek word politikos, which means of, for, or relating to citizens. The word politica, which refers to the affairs of the city-state or the government, the study of politics and government in ancient Greece, particularly in Athena, played a significant role in the development of political science as an academic discipline. Types of political science. Comparative politics. Comparative politics is the comparative study of other countries, citizens, different political units, either in whole or in part, and analyzes the similarities and difference between those political units. Comparative politics also entails the political study of non-US political groups. International relations. International relations is the study of interactions and relationships among states, as well as with international organizations and certain subnational entities like bureaucracies, political parties, and interest groups. It is closely related to political science and involves understanding the working of politics on a global level. Political theory. Political theory is a branch of political science that is concerned with the study and interpretation of the concepts and ideas that have historically shaped politics. It involves the analysis and understanding the political ideas, ideologies, policies, and behavior, as well as the structure and process of political system. Political theory can be approached from different perspectives, including, but not limited to, classical political theory, modern political theory, and contemporary political theory. Each of these approaches has different ways of looking at politics, power, and governance. American government and politics. American government and politics are based on the U.S. Constitution, which serves as the fundamental law of the land. The U.S. government is characterized by a system of checks and balances divided among three branches. The three branches are: we have the executive branch, the the legislative branch, the judicial branch. American government and politics. American politics, on the other hand, is often characterized by a two-party system, with the Democratic Party and the Republican Party being the dominant parties. These parties have different ideological platforms and views on key issues, which often leads to intense political debates and elections. Methodology is a subfield of political science that studies the quantitative and qualitative methods used to study politics. It involves the use of statistical analysis, mathematics, and formal theory to understand and explain political phenomena. Political methodology may include the use of statistical analysis to understand voting behavior. For instance, qualitative methods may involve case studies or interviews to understand the political process or the actions of political actors. Public law. Public law is the part of law that governs relationships between individuals and the government, and those relationships between different parts of the government itself. Public law encompasses several subdisciplines such as constitutional law, administrative law, and criminal law. It deals with issues directly affecting the rights and duties of individuals and is directly enforced by the state. Thank, and that's all my discussion and my topic. Thank you.